Hello students, how are you? Today we'll consider a very important topic, that is solid state chemistry. So let's begin. I'm sharing my whiteboard. So let's begin. We have this numerical, and with the help of this numerical, we will try to understand the concept and solve this numerical easily. I have been given atoms A, B, C, D present at corners. For example, this is a cube. So at the corners of these cubes is present atom A. Then at the face center, so at the corners of these cube is present A. At the face center is present atom B. At the body center you have C. And at the edge center of these cube you have D. So this is a three-dimensional uh, cube which I am holding, and in order for you to understand, I am giving this example. But we will draw all of this in the form of a 2D image and try to solve this problem. So what is then given is that one of the atoms of the rectangular plane of symmetry and a fourfold axis of symmetry are removed. We have to determine what is the formula of the compound, right? So there are two cases. The same cube I have drawn in 2 dimensions. So you have this cube, and it is said that one of the rectangular plane of symmetry means, suppose if this is the cube, so one of the plane of symmetry which will be dividing the cube into half, and one fourfold axis of symmetry, right? That the atoms are removed from that. So you can have two cases. The plane of symmetry and the axis of symmetry can be coinciding, which is your figure A. Okay. Or in other case, you can have the plane of symmetry and the axis of symmetry perpendicular, which is the case B. In both the cases, we'll try to determine the formulae. So let us see what is the contribution of each of these elements. Now, A is said to be at the corner. So from the cube, you can see, or from this diagram, you can see that you have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 corners, and each corner has 1/8 contribution. So its contribution will be 1. However, when you speak about B, it is at the face center, because plane of symmetry and the fourfold axis both are not there at the corners. Okay. So the second case is face center. Now, how many faces are there? 6 faces are there. See, you can even count 1, 2, 3. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So you have 6 faces, and each face has a contribution of half, because each face is shared by two cubes, right? But out of that, you have 4 atoms missing. As you can see, you have 4 atoms missing. 1, 2, 3, and 4 in case A. Okay. We are speaking about, so 4 atoms are missing, and you will be getting totally in this case 1 as the contribution on mathematical simplification. Third case is body center. So only one atom is there in the body center, and if that also gets removed, means we are speaking about this atom, right? Okay. So it will be 1 minus 1. That will be equal to 0. And the last one in this case is edge center. Means the edge center is this one, 2, 3, 4. So you have 12 edges, and 4 of them are missing or removed. So how can I say 12 edges? See, 4 on the top, 4 on the bottom, and the side walls. Okay, so 4 plus 4, 8, and plus 4 equal to 12. Okay, so 12 minus 4 of them are missing. So that will be 8. and the contribution of each edge center is 1 by 4. So you have 2 as the contribution. So the formula will work out to be A, B, both are 1. Okay. And C is 0 and D is 2. So this is your final formula for case E. So very, very simple. Okay. You have to see the contribution of corner, you have to see the contribution of face, you have to see the contribution of edge, and you have to see the contribution of body center. Similar way, we will consider for case B. Okay. When the plane and the axis is perpendicular. So let's begin with that. You have A. Okay. Similar way, we will calculate. So you have A at the corner, and since there is no contribution, right? There is no contribution from the corner, it will be as it is. So 8 into 1 by 8 equal to 1. Now B is what? Face center. So how many atoms are at the face? 2 atoms are there in the face here. Let me count it. See, 2 atoms are here. Then 1 atom is here. 2 plus 2, 4. Okay. Contribution of A is 1. In the second case, B. B is face. Okay. So in for face center, how many faces you have? I have just counted, right? You have 6 faces, right? And you have 1 atom on each face. Now let's count it. 2 here, 2 here, 2 here. So total face has 6 and 6 of them will be missing. So you have 6 faces minus 6 will be missing. So that will result into 0. C is again body center. So body center has only 1 atom. Okay. So that will result into 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore to B, right? So you have this body center which is missing, right? And the last one is contribution of D, that is edge center. Right? So what is the contribution of D? We know 12 edges are there. And out of that, how many are missing? Edge center, you have this. 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 Right? 4 of them are missing. So minus 4. 1 by 4 equal to 2. So we end up with the formula A D2, right? This is your formula of the compound. Thus, by very simple method, we can easily calculate the contribution of each of the atoms, and the given condition in this case is one of the central rectangular plane of symmetry is removed and one of the axis of symmetry is removed. If you found value in this video, you can refer or subscribe my channel for further videos, or you can also join my community. Thank you.